grow here in California. So I got them from Washington. And this is how the blackcurrants look. The black ones. And we're gonna be using the grinder to grind it. So I'm gonna start building now. We're gonna use the smallest one. And then I'm gonna use this to tighten it. Yeah. You had the sense tonen, and then I have to wash it. Yeah. Now we're putting it on this so we can wash it. It's going down. We need some more. Let's make the last one. This is a lot. And now we're gonna take it to wash. So guys, now that we washed it, we're gonna give it a taste. You first, what does it taste like? It tastes like mint. Mama. I think it tastes rather sour and sweet at the same time. Mom. So now we're gonna pause the video to get the skin off. So see you. See you in a while. Guys, we finally finished getting the stem off. And we're getting ready to grind it. And this is how it looks. What's the bind? This is here. What got it here? Wait. Guys, we have to change the small setting to a little bigger setting because with the small setting it wasn't going, so let's see how it's going. So quickly. Still coming. Blanca. I know. have 1 cup of sugar. And if we do less, then we'll go bad. So we're doing 1 cup. This is a lot. Snow.
Yeah, it's like snow. It's with the black snow.
We're gonna put it in jars, and we're gonna put it in the refrigerator because we didn't
Bye,
add
guys.
that much sugar.
Bye, guys. Mom.
Bye.
See you next time.
So we got 2 jars like this with the contents inside. This is how it looks.
Mama.
It's so yummy. I can't wait to try it with ice cream.